Hi, I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're making a traditional Swedish dish, rotmos. It's very colorful and a great way to use your vegetables. You can use any root vegetables you like, but we use parsnips, carrots, and sweet potatoes. Start by peeling about 2 or 3 of each, then cut them into 2-inch pieces and place them in the Instant Pot. Fill the Instant Pot with water, barely covering the vegetables. Secure the lid on the Instant Pot and close the vent. Pressure cook for 5 minutes and quick release when done. When the pressure has dropped and it's safe to do so, remove the lid. Now remove the pot and drain the excess water. It's easier if you use a lid. When the water is drained, add in a 1/4 cup butter, half a cup of sour cream, and half a cup of milk. And mash the ingredients using a potato masher. This vegetable dish is a great substitute for mashed potatoes. Add salt to taste and mix it. When done, transfer to a serving bowl. And there you have it, a super creamy, healthy root vegetable mash. You can try different combination of vegetables to see which one you like the best. We love hearing from you, so please leave us a comment. I'm Bjorn from All Spiced Out, and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.